Hello students, today we are going to solve a numerical from electrochemistry which is based on Faraday's second law of electrolysis. In a certain electrolysis experiment, 4.36 grams of zinc are deposited in one cell containing zinc sulfate solution. Calculate the mass of aluminium. So we are having zinc and aluminium. Let's denote the mass of zinc as W1, 4.36 grams, and the mass of aluminium as W2, which we have to find out. Now calculate the mass of aluminium deposited in another cell containing AlCl3 solution connected in series with zinc sulfate cell. Molar mass of zinc and aluminium are given 65.4 and 27 gram mole inverse respectively. So let's write down the molar masses also. For zinc it is M1, 65.4 gram mole inverse. For aluminium it is 27 gram mole inverse. As I said, we are going to use Faraday's second law, the formula for which is W1 upon M1 into mole ratio of 1 is equal to W2 upon M2 into mole ratio of 2. Now for this we need to write down the formula of mole ratio also. The formula for mole ratio is mole ratio equals to moles of product formed in half reaction upon moles of electrons required in half reaction. For this we need to write down the half reactions for zinc and aluminium. So let's write down for zinc Zn2 plus aqueous accepts 2 electrons and gets converted to Zn solid. The mole ratio for 1 would be equal to moles of product formed. Product is zinc and zinc is 1 mole here upon the moles of electrons required. The number of electrons required are 2. So it will be divided by 2. Next reaction we will write for aluminium. Al3 plus aqueous accepts 3 electrons to give us Al solid. Now mole ratio for 2, that is aluminium, would be 1 by 3 since the number of moles of product is 1 whereas the number of moles of electrons are 3. So the mole ratio will be 1 by 3. Now let's substitute the values in the formula. W1 is 4.36 upon the molar mass of zinc is 65.4 into the mole ratio, that is 1 by 2. This is equal to W2. We have to find out the mass of aluminium upon 27 into 1 by 3. That's the mole ratio of aluminium. So this becomes a 9 here. This 2 would be going up. So we can be having W2 equals to 4.36 into 2 into 9 divided by 65.4. This is equal to, using log here, 4.36, the characteristic would be 0. The log of 43 under 6 is 6395. This will take it as 18. So the characteristic is 1 for 18. And the log is 2553. Let's add this up. 8, 14, 9, 8 and 1 minus 1 point. The log of 65 under 4 is 8156. Let's subtract this. 2, 14 minus 5, 9. 8 minus 1, that is a 7, and 8 minus 8 is a 0, and the antilog of 0.07 and 9 mean difference 2 is 1200. You put a decimal after one digit, and this is the mass of aluminium in grams, that is 1.2 grams. Thank you.